Moxie, and I like makeup, and you like makeup, and that is why we're here. And we did something really fun today. I was browsing, right, through Instagram, and I found this girly pop who does makeup, obviously, right? And she had this makeup up in her Insta, and I saw the video of her doing it, and I was like, all of her makeups are dope as hell, but this one, for some reason, I was like, I want to do that so bad, because I feel like I want to get more into doing like more out there makeups, more experimental type makeups for me. So I was like, let's do that. Let's do a video of me trying to kind of recreate her makeup. And honestly, I think we fucking killed it. I did it freehand because I don't have star stickers, so I had to draw everything by hand, which is why I'm like extra proud of it, I guess. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I hope you like the video. So I'm gonna pass you on to the bitch with no makeup. That's it. Bye. I haven't done this, I haven't practiced it, nothing. So bear with me. We've been invaded, so he's probably gonna be here for the majority of the video. This is Lucas. You guys always see Romeo in the back, but you never see Lucas because I don't let him come in here while I'm doing my makeup because he always wants to be on my lap. Let's see how it works. Are you gonna lay down? Figure yourself out, mister. I have watched the video of her doing the makeup, and I'm gonna change a couple of things to do it, mostly because I don't have the star stickers, and this was like a knee-jerk reaction. Oh my god, I want to do this. So there's zero prep, zero practice. We're just jumping in there. I'm just gonna prime really quick. I forgot that this is also an issue, is because I can't open these drawers right here because then he's sitting on my lap. This is what we're dealing with. The first part that she does is this inner part. So I'm going to grab this brush. This is literally just like a random Profusion brush from that, like, I think Profusion's from Walmart. For the colors, we're gonna use the About Face Fluid Eye Paints. The blue is going to be No Queen Blue. And then she kind of contoured it onto the nose a little bit, so. This is one of those looks that is 100% gonna require patience, a lot of it. So we cannot rush this one, you know? The consistency of this blue is making it a little hard for me to work with because it's, I don't know, the consistency of it is kind of weird. It feels like tempera. After like 5 solid minutes of tinkering with it, we got it. Now it's time to do the other. I'm gonna do it off camera because this is taking some concentration. Okay, we got that. Let's do the star. The star first, because from the star, we go inside. For the star, we are also gonna use an About Face liquid eyeshadow. The yellow is Blitz. This consistency is a lot better than the blue, so this should be a little easier. I guess in here it all really depends on my ability to be able to make a star proficiently. That was so stressful, but that actually turned out halfway decent. So let's do the other eye. That was a little less vibrant, but it's fine because I'm just trying to figure out like placement, because I think I have to fix my eyebrows so that they can get out of the way. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I can't see it from where you're sitting, but from where I'm sitting, that star looks perfect. We're getting there with the stars. Blue. The blue around the star is gonna be a little harder to do, and I don't want to use like one of these brushes because it's not gonna work. I would rather use like a super thin angled brush. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have better control with an angled brush than I am gonna have with like a liner brush. I'm gonna bring you in, hi, so that I can, because this is gonna take like a lot of concentration. This is harsh. Definitely having like the sticker of the star is probably so much easier than trying to like freehand it. Bro, I'm trying to toot my own horn, but this shit looking clean as hell right now. Let's go. Let's go. That's clean. That's clean, brother. Time to blend out. Pray for me. And then this is gonna be the same. We're gonna try and like just blend out like a little bit, not too much. So after I'm done with this makeup, you cannot say shit to me. You cannot say anything to me. I'm gonna be puffed up for days. Now that I really look at it, it is a little crooked, but it's not like crazy, you know, like you can't really tell that much. So before I actually do the little thing, I'm gonna do the other eye for the star. So I'll be right back. Okay, we got it. Now we're gonna do the little for the inside. I'm gonna also do that with the little flat-ish brush. So the way that it looks like she picks this up and brings it down here. So I'm gonna map it first. This is actually working really well. My blend of the shadow around the star is a little thicker than hers is, but I don't really want to mess with it because everything has been working pretty well and I don't want to like mess it up trying to make it look different. Like I can try and clean it up a little bit on the edges, but I'm not gonna try to have it be like 100, like a carbon copy of it. Next we have the yellow on the actual lid, so we're gonna try and blend that out as best as we can without fucking with the blue. I'm so happy with how this is turning out, actually. This is actually turning out way better than I expected it to turn out, and I'm like legit almost about to cry. So to set everything that we've done so far, I'm gonna use the Lucky Charms palette just to make sure that the colors are vibrant and set so that they don't stick with one another. Just trying to make sure that everything is copacetic. For the yellow, I'm using Shooting Stars, which is very apropos. And I like this because this is gonna kind of lighten the colors a little bit, like brighten them. Because even though I love Halsey's liquid eyeshadows, I do feel like they can be a little dull. Like they are pigmented, but the colors can be a little dull. And you can totally tell the difference of like the yellow going from like big bird yellow to like bright yellow, you know? Okay, for the blue, do we even have a decent blue? The Athr with the Lucky Charms blue, you know, mix them a little bit. First, I'm gonna go with Blue Moon into the blue because that's gonna be like the lighter part. I'm just gonna use that on the very edges of some parts of the blue. I'm not even gonna use it on all of the blue. Now for realsies, I'm gonna be using, I don't really know which color it is because I threw away the little thing. I think it's like a crystal something, and it's the blue from that palette. I'll put it up on screen. The blue is a little different than the blue from the thing, but I'm just using like the lightest touch to try and like just set that shadow as much as I can. I am noticing that I'm kind of closing in the space between these two parts, so I'm gonna try and clean that up a little bit. So I think the top is pretty much done. Let's go to the bottom. She didn't really show how to do the bottom, so I'm gonna kind of improvise, I guess. I'm gonna do my concealer in my face, and then we'll do the bottom part and finish up. I didn't actually do my face, I just did like my under eye. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the blue and I'm gonna just do the bottom a little bit, like not all the way in, a little bit less than half of the way. And it looks like she has a little bit of black on top of it as well. So I'm just gonna blend that blue into the leg of the star. Just gonna connect that, which is what I think she's doing. So we're gonna run with it. And then we're gonna bring that in a little bit because she does bring it in. Got that part down, and then we're gonna go back with the powder just to set that. I'm gonna use a little bit of black super close to the lash line just to kind of deepen the shadow underneath. This is working. This is working. Let's go. That's all of the eyeshadow work right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put lashes and finish my face to just complete everything, and I'll be right back. I'm so into this. I'm so stupid into this, bro. Like, I'm kind of sad that I don't have any more to go. I want to like show it off. Okay, so let me take this off and hopefully it'll fall where it needs to fall. Okay, so everything is pretty much done except for the lips. For lips, I'm gonna use the Context Beauty Dual Liner, and I'm gonna use it in Locked In. And then we're gonna use our new El Maquillage lip gloss. That's pretty much it. I honestly think that we fucking rocked it. I did put a little bit of white up here to kind of like make the rest of the colors kind of pop a little more. But I am in love with this look. I didn't do eyeliner or anything. She didn't do it, so I didn't do it. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's pretty much it. We did it. We got this far. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments if you tried it and if it turned out, and tag me on social media if you did. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on all of my socials. It is at GotMoxie with 2 X's on everything. For the last time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.